Hello guys, so welcome back to another video. So today we're going to max our Town Hall 8, and this is part 1 of maxing our base, and the part 2 will be released soon. So let's get started. So actually what we will do, we will be upgrading our base from the defenses, as defenses is the most important thing we can do in here. So first we have to get in the defenses that I have recently put down there. So actually, I have put everything in here. And if we see the suggested upgrades, there are Elixir Collector, Hero Hall, and Barbarian King. So we would not be doing that because it is too costly and it is too time taking as well, like 14 hours. It's much time, so we will do them later. So first we will focus on the things which are like less time taking. So we will, if we see this, it is also 2 days time, which is uh, I can't express this is too much. So we will be upgrading the smaller ones. So this part of the base is best to upgrade right now because they are all level 1, and it only takes 2 minutes to upgrade. So we can upgrade these, and this is also a 2-minute upgrade, so it is easy to upgrade them in shorter time. So I will show you. I have put every building in here except those two builder halls, I think. Builder hut. So except them, I have put everything present in here. So first we will be upgrading these three. So I have upgraded them, and the elixir storage. So we have done with upgrading them. Now we have to wait for some time. So we are done upgrading our these resources things and the thing in here. So now we would be going to see, we will be going to see something like progression layout, I think. Yeah, there is our progression layout. We have switched to our progression layout right now to make it easier. So now we will be researching on this. So I will be upgrading archer because I use it many time, like, yeah, I use it mostly. So, and I think I should do the barbarian king as well, sorry, barbarian as well. And I have put both of them in upgrade. Now I will see in the blacksmith which one to upgrade. So as I use the earthquake boots, so I would be happy to upgrade it, but I think it is not that worth it. But let's upgrade it because I use it mostly. So why not? Like, why not? So let's do it to level 2. We have done earthquake boots to level 2. Now let's see the rage vial. It's only level 1 and I use it mostly, so why not? Like, it is giving us 75 health recovery and 5% DPS increase. Why not? Man, why not? I think I have to do it once again because it's giving another 75 health recovery and plus 4.3 speed increase. So why not again? So we are done. And again the same thing which we got when upgrading to level 2. And I think I should do the earthquake boots first. So let's confirm it. Confirmed. Okay. So earthquake boots to level 3, and here we go. We will upgrade it once again to equal, and now I will upgrade the rage vial. Okay, it only takes like 120, but I will not upgrade the that puppet. But instead, I will upgrade the rage vial because it's more benefit giving. So I have done giving, and I don't have resources to upgrade more. So let's put them in the upgrades: gold storage, elixir storage, and one more thing, we can do the archer tower because it's the less time taking thing after these two storages. So we are done, and I think we have to farm for the resources, so wait for some time. So we are again back, and while I was grinding and I saw this base, Bro, just see this base. Like it's farming layout, man. This is farming layout. Not actually farming. This is progression layout. Yeah, I'm speaking anything. Okay, so they should be doing well. I'm just spamming everything in. They would be getting in and taking the town hall easily. Like it would not take that much time as I thought. I have done the king to its rage, and here we go. I have raged the hog riders there, and I do not have the use of this spell, but let's do it in case of anything happens right there. And I have three hog riders, and I wanted them to target at that end, but they redirect. Oh no 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 no! They're hitting them, and I have an extra spell. Let's give it to them, and here we go. Our hog riders is taking down that laboratory. Now they will be going to the blacksmith. No, actually they're targeting both of them, and now our thing, our overall damage is going to be 100% with a proper 3 star, and we got many resources from here. So here we go, and like we got star bonus, man. We got star bonus. Like now I think I can again upgrade my thing, but first let's collect the resources from here. And now let's upgrade the hero vial maybe, or rage vial, I think. Yeah, let's upgrade the rage vial before. But before going, I would like to upgrade these two. So let's upgrade. So let's I will meet you after these two are completed. So guys, they are completed, and now I'm back with them. And there are three builders left, and I have completed them. And now I think I should upgrade them once more, but I would not upgrade them because now I have to leave, and now we will be putting them in overnight upgrade. Like I will upgrade the things which are most time taking, and I will later upgrade those which are less time taking, because we have to we have to also focus on the time taking ones. So I will keep them overnight. So let's do it with the mortar, and I have done with that bomb tower and the mortar. And now which one should we upgrade right now? An air defense, but it's too long. Let's do a thing first. Let's upgrade the dark barracks, man. Sorry, dark spell factory, man. We will be getting earthquake spell as well, and so why not we are getting earthquake spell, why not? And this is most helpful, I think, and this is only taking 12 hours, which is enough for an overnight growth. And we can't upgrade the spell factory right now. We will be upgrading that in level 9. So here we go. Our blacksmith equipments should be upgraded right now. I will upgrade the rage vial maybe first, or instead the earthquake boots. I think this should be good. Like earthquake boots are like good. They're useful, man. They're useful. They are useful actually. Like should I do it? I'm thinking. Should I do it? Nah, let's leave. Let's do the rage vial to level 5. And here we go. I think I should do it because it's giving us advantages like 75. Like let's I think I should go with it. I think I should go with it. Like we have done our rage vial to level 5, and here we go. We will also upgrade this one right here, and let's confirm it. And now uh, I'm a bit tensed about it, like should I upgrade it or not? But let's upgrade it. And our earthquake boots is upgraded to level 4. And this is the end of our part 1 of my base to actually to maxing my base. Yeah, like maxing my base. And here we go. We are done.